All right, so if you have, I don't know about the smaller version, but like let's say a 1098, 1098S, maybe even the 1098R. I'm not 100% sure. This is a 1098S, and you have the same battery that most of us have, which is the YT12BBS. Probably have slow starting and things of that nature. So, and this bike's always been like that. So I was looking into ways to try to add some more to it. So I was going to show you guys what I came across and what I've done. So I've already pulled the body panel off. Hopefully you know how. There's a screw underneath there. You got one there, and the one's across the bottom, and your body panel pops right off. Next, this guy, runaway screw. This guy's right there. Oh, all those body panels are 3 millimeters. This is a 5. You pull this one screw out. This guy drops off. This comes out. Right? So we got our battery. Pull off the terminals. Hopefully you know how to do that. This guy comes out. Now, the battery I have here is the GYZ 16H. You can see it's taller. It's the same width. It's definitely thicker. And what I came across online was some guy said this fit, you pull the spacers out. So what do we have for spacers? You got these two here in the back and this guy in the bottom. So these guys, you can just pull them forward and hopefully they don't break. And this guy just sits in there, it comes out. So now we have some extra space. Height difference looks about correct. The depth, it's pretty much right there. So this guy, well, it fits in there. I'm going to need my other hand to put these things in, so I'll stitch these two together. These videos. So let me get these in there. To try to be thorough, since I wasn't thorough with pulling the body panels off, those little brass guys, I'm pretty sure they're brass, they slide in through the sides and drop down in there, and then your terminal is going to go on top, and then this is flathead hex. Anyways, this will go through the terminal and drop down to there and start to tighten up. So let me once again use both hands to, because I'm sure that I cannot. Maybe I can, I don't know, probably not. Somebody online is going to be like, oh, you should put the ground on first. And I only brought a Phillips over because that's what my other one was. So I'll go grab a flathead. But anyways, you can see it's starting to thread in, and it's going to pull that guy up tight up against there. All right, so mine is together, tight. Grab this guy. It's got that little extrusion right there that goes in there, just in case you didn't notice that when it came apart. And it does go back together. So whoever, I don't know where I saw it, but whoever said this thing fits, if you pull the spacers out, they are absolutely correct. I will put this body panel on, and we'll start a video so you can hear it turn over. And if it sounds better than yours or turns over harder than yours, and maybe this is an idea for you. If it doesn't, then this was a waste of time and money, but we're gonna find out. So just because the battery had just come out of the box, and I started to think, well, you know, what if it's been sitting on the shelf? I bought the battery from Summit Racing. Would have been sitting on the shelf for a few minutes, so, or months, or who knows how long, because I know they have production dates and stuff on them, but I didn't look at the voltage before it went in. So that's probably my bad. But anyways, let's, oh, I know where I was going with that. So I put it on a charger, just so the battery would be topped off, and yeah. So I guess let's see what happens. It's definitely cranking a little bit faster than the other battery. I don't know if it's a lot faster. I don't think it's a lot faster. I do definitely think it is turning over faster. But yeah, there we go. So you saw the battery. There's the results. Is it turning over a little bit better? Like I said, I think so. It seems like it's cranking the engine a little bit faster. But I don't know. Be your own judge. It seems like it makes sense to you, do it. If it doesn't, don't. Thanks for watching. All right, so just to give it one last shot, I left it on a maintenance charger until it said it was full. So let's just see if that makes a difference. I don't know. That's an overnight maintenance charger. So again, you're calling whether it turns over faster or not than yours. Drop it in the comments if yours turns over faster than that one or not.